Daddy always tell you. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
My name is Blane, 8th gen Honda Civic, 2 resilient plat 15s and a 3-to-1 fourth order. I'm on really low power right now. I'm just on a Toro R6 wired down to 1 ohm, 48 amp hours of Planano.
Okay. So low power, what's the RMS you're looking at probably?
I'm 3K RMS on this amp, but after rise and everything, I'm probably only seeing about 500 a sub.
Okay. Everything's here, nothing in the back?
Nothing in the back. Everything's in here. I got my full trunk.
All right, nice. And you built this, right?
Yes, sir. All by myself in less than 3 months. Trying to get ready for this.
All right. And this was built in the vehicle?
In the vehicle.
Wow.
To the sides, it's built into the roof. I flattened the sheet metal panels out so I could actually form everything. This whole box is one solid part of the car. It's not built in like other boxes.
Yep, got it. And do you know your cubic space at all?
I am 3.3 on the sealed section, and I was 13 before displacement on the top side. I think I'm right at around 8.9 after porting everything, so a little under 3-to-1.
All right. And your bandwidth and tuning?
2843. I play 18 hertz all the way to 50 hertz.
Nice. All right. Sounds like you know your stuff. You've done a lot of bit of testing. Any SPL on it?
I do 146 at 27 hertz right now on low power.
Okay. For the low end, is there a high peak or just that's the peak?
My 32 to 39s where it really likes to bite, and then 20s are pretty flat response, and 40s are pretty aggressive.
All right.
I'll give you a 2-song demo if you're all right with that.
Yeah, man. Sounds good. All right, man. Yep.
How you doing, sir?
Great.
Tight in here. That's all right.
Just
18 through 28 first.
Okay.
unfortunately.
Yeah. Nice. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah, man, thanks for
Good
seeing
family. Yeah, definitely.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Down it. Yeah, it did good. It did good, man. And loading off of that door and window up with that Lowe's did good,
It's got
man.
way better than
Yeah. Appreciate the demo,
Yeah,
man.
man, thanks for sitting in here.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your videos, bro.
Thank you for watching. Appreciate it,
You
man.
have a good day.
You too.